Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia merilis laporan tentang kemajuan operasi militer khusus di Ukraina pada Senin, 10 Oktober 2022 kemarin. Angkatan Bersenjata Federasi Rusia diketahui masih melanjutkan operasi militer khusus. Serangan diawali dengan Angkatan Bersenjata Rusia meluncurkan serangan jarak jauh presisi tinggi besar-besaran di fasilitas kontrol militer, komunikasi, dan sistem energi Ukraina. Tujuan serangan telah tercapai, semua target yang ditugaskan telah dinetralkan. Aksi intens pasukan Rusia telah berhasil mendorong musuh kembali ke posisi awalnya. Ukraina telah kehilangan lebih dari 60 personel, 9 tank, 16 kendaraan tempur lapis baja, dan 17 kendaraan bermotor pada arah yang disebutkan. 5 depot Rudal, persenjataan artileri dan amunisi telah dihancurkan di dekat Severs, Avdiivka dan Shevchenko, Republik Rakyat Donetsk, Novoaleksandrovka, wilayah Saporosi, dan Beres-Negovatoye, wilayah Nikolaev. 2 penyimpanan bahan bakar untuk Ukraina telah dihancurkan di dekat Dnepropetrovsk dan Pavlograd, wilayah Dnepropetrovsk.
Intense action of the Russian forces has resulted in driving the enemy back to its initial positions. Ukrainian armed forces have lost over 60 personnel, 9 tanks, 16 armored combat vehicles, and 17 motor vehicles at the above-mentioned direction. Operational tactical and dummy aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 6 Ukrainian command posts near Verkhnekamenskoye, Bakhmutskoye, Artyomovsk and Ugledar in Donetsk People's Republic, Pavlovka in Zaporozhye region, and Blagodarovka in Nikolaev region, as well as 52 artillery units at their firing positions, 143 manpower and military equipment concentration areas. 5 missile artillery armament and munitions depots have been destroyed near Seversk, Avdiivka, and Shevchenko in Donetsk People's Republic, Novoalexandrovka in Zaporozhye region, and Beres-Negovatoye in Nikolaev region. 2 storages of fuel for the Ukrainian armed forces have been destroyed near Dnepropetrovsk and Pavlograd in Dnepropetrovsk region. Fighter aircraft of the Russian Aerospace Forces has shot down 1 MiG-29 of Ukrainian Air Force near Belaya Krynytsa in Kherson region. Air defense facilities have destroyed 6 unmanned aerial vehicles near Nikolaevka in Lugansk People's Republic, Petrovskoye, Valerianovka, Kodema in Donetsk People's Republic, Chervony Yar and Milovoye in Kherson region. Moreover, 6 projectiles launched by US-manufactured HIMARS MLRS near Kazatskoye, Otrado-Kamenka, Chervonye Pody, and Novaya Kakhovka in Kherson region, as well as 3 HARM anti-radar missiles near Antonovka in Kherson region. In addition, 1 .U ballistic missile has been shot down over Vysokoye in Kherson region. In total, 318 airplanes and 159 helicopters, 2,188 unmanned aerial vehicles, 379 air defense missile systems, 5,604 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 866 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,462 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,463 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.